Number 1. 1970 GMC 2500 Camper Special Pickup, $2,500, Federal Way, Washington. 1970 GMC 2500 Camper Special 3/4 ton, powered by a 402 cubic inch big block V8 with automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive with factory camper special package, yellow finish, wooden bed floor, and embroidered seat. Clean title, running and driving, showing 76,943 miles. Affordable classic big block pickup. Number 2. 1986 Mazda B2000 one owner, $2,997, Portland, Oregon. One owner 1986 Mazda B2000 with 153,000 miles and clean title. 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. All original condition with bed liner, toolbox, and air conditioning. Well-maintained and emissions-compliant compact classic. Number 3. 1985 Toyota pickup Longbed, $4,500, Santa Rosa, California. 1985 Toyota Longbed with 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. 367,500 miles, clean title, rear-wheel drive, and running well. Durable and reliable mid-1980s compact truck. Number 4. 1989 Ford F-150 Lariat, $3,000, Hinckley, Illinois. This 1989 Ford F-150 Lariat in Hinckley, Illinois is powered by the iconic 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine, widely regarded as one of Ford's most durable power plants. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and dual fuel tanks, it has 173,000 miles and a clean title. The truck features extensive maintenance history, including new clutch, starter, air conditioning components, and cooling system parts. It also comes with a matching 8-foot Lear topper. For $3,000, this farm-maintained example represents a dependable and practical late 1980s full-size pickup. Number 5. 1989 Toyota pickup Longbed, $7,499, Granada Hills, California. An excellent 6th-generation Toyota pickup. This 1989 model in Granada Hills, California features the legendary 22RE 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. With 254,401 miles, it remains rust-free and largely original, finished in white with factory blue interior. Recent services, a newer bedliner, and upgraded audio system enhance usability while maintaining originality. Rear-wheel drive configuration and California history add to its appeal. At $7,499, this truck reflects the strong market demand for clean, unmodified late 1980s Toyota pickups. Number 6. 1989 Ford F-250 4x4 and 9500 Arcadia Terrace, Chicago, Illinois. 1989 Ford F-250 4-wheel drive with 351 Windsor V, 8 and automatic transmission, 105,000 miles, clean title, and extensive mechanical refurbishment. Heavy duty and well maintained. Number 7. 1988 Ford Crew Cab 1-ton 4x4, $8,500, Fort Smith, Montana. This 1988 Ford Crew Cab 1-ton 4-wheel drive in Fort Smith, Montana is powered by a 351 fuel-injected V8 and 5-speed manual transmission. With 137,000 original miles and dual fuel tanks, it presents as a clean and rust-free heavy-duty workhorse. The straight body, good interior, heavy-duty topper, and limited seasonal use enhance its desirability. Crew Cab 1-ton trucks from this era are increasingly sought after for their utility and classic square body styling. Number 8. 1981 Chevrolet K20, 3/4 ton 4x4, $6,000, Central Oregon. The 1981 Chevrolet K20 in Central Oregon is a classic square-body 3/4 ton four-wheel drive equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and newly installed turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. It features extensive front-end rebuild work, new brakes, lift kit, Edelbrock carburetor, and new 35-inch tires. The floors have been treated and insulated, and the truck holds a clean title. Although mileage is unknown, it is described as a solid daily driver. Early 1980s Chevrolet square body trucks remain highly collectible among enthusiasts. Number 9. 1982 Datsun 720 King Cab, $6,500, Los Angeles, California. This 1982 Datsun 720 King Cab in Los Angeles, California features a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission with 187,293 miles. Rear-wheel drive and clean title status add to its practicality. It runs well, has passed emissions testing, and shows no mechanical issues. The blue exterior and King Cab configuration offer added interior space, a desirable feature in compact trucks of the early 1980s. Datsun trucks have become increasingly appreciated for their durability and vintage Japanese character. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet S10 4.3-liter 4x4, $950, Greeley, Colorado. This 1992 Chevrolet S10 four-wheel drive in Greeley, Colorado is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission. With 240,000 miles and a clean title, it requires a new transmission and minor electrical repairs. Recent replacement parts include ignition components, catalytic converter, belt system, and spark plugs. Although it needs towing, the low price of $950 reflects project potential. Early 1990s S10 trucks remain popular as affordable entry-level classic sport trucks. Number 11. 1967 Ford F100 Shortbed, $19,500, Huntington Beach, located in Visalia, California. This 1967 Ford F100 Shortbed is an original example powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed manual transmission. Located in Visalia, California, and offered from Huntington Beach, California, it shows 65,204 miles with a clean California title. The truck is largely unmodified, retaining stock suspension, brake system, trim, and accessories. Finished in black with red interior, it is rust-free and mostly garaged throughout its life. With new tires, chrome wheels, and working under-dash air conditioning, this is a highly collectible, first-generation F-Series from the mid-1960s. Number 12. 1986 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4 pickup, $8,000, Santan Valley, Arizona. This 1986 Chevrolet 3/4 ton four-wheel drive in Santan Valley, Arizona features a newer crate motor, automatic transmission, dual fuel tanks, and 8 lug wheels. The longbed configuration and blue patina exterior give it authentic vintage character. With unknown mileage and a clean title, it is described as running and driving great. Square body Chevrolet trucks from the mid-1980s continue to gain collector interest due to their rugged mechanical simplicity and classic American styling.